Hi, Mike and James are back with a bicep tutorial. Biceps are really simple. You have multiple ways you can assemble them. You can do a butt joint if you need to. You can do an overlap. You can glue one side and Velcro the other. You can Velcro both sides if you really think you need to, but that shouldn't be necessary. You can also glue one side and bring the other side in for adjustability. If you're looking for more of a tubular shape, you can cut at a different angle and bring them in to get a more tubular type shape.
Totally tubular, man.
Yeah, they were designed to be an angle, but you do them a lot of different ways. So, like all things, they are overlap joined, just like the forearms. And we're going to sand the parts that need to be glued. We've already test fitted and measured for the size that these are being built to. They're going to go ahead and just take a standard size assembly, and they can be padded if they need to be. You do need to check to make sure you have your left and your rights lined up. You'll be able to tell real easily because they just kind of line right up. No need to pencil mark on these unless you were doing a butt joint.
If you're doing a butt joint, you should have an underlaying piece.
Right.
Plastic, though, so you still shouldn't need pencil mark. Oops. Sorry.
Right in the face!
My bad, yo.
Face.
Sometimes it gets a little away from me. Just squirts a little bit. Let me see it real quick.
Right after I sand for the other cover strip. But go ahead.
When you piece these together, if you have a little lip, I don't know if you can see that little lip right there. On the line up the bottom, not the top. The top's going to have your shoulder bell sitting over it. People aren't going to see it, and it's going to get covered with the cover strip anyways. Yeah, you're never going to see that. So don't worry. Like if you're off, you can be off by half an inch. You can be off by a whole inch. Doesn't fucking matter.
And you can cut it too.
Yeah.
So.
It's you can always trim it down. Just don't freak out if it's off by a few millimeters. Who cares? It's not the end of the world.
Yes, it is. The whole sky is falling. It's the end of the world. Dogs and cats are living together.
Mass hysteria.
And the basic biceps are together. So the next thing to do here is sand for the cover strips. And these line up really well. So I like to put a more narrow side on the bottom if I have to. It doesn't really make any difference, but line it up on the bottom to cover up anything. And you can even see here, you can trim off the top just a wee bit.
It's gonna get covered by the shoulder belt.
It's getting covered by the shoulder belt.
Get that little piece of contaminant off of there.
I just saw a little dust. Didn't like the dust.
What was the robot from the movie WALL-E? Contaminant. Is that cold on your hand?
It is very cold.
I'm sorry. I don't mean to be causing you distress, Michael.
That causes me no discomfort. Yeah. No, not yet. I didn't say it was time yet.
Well,
I was still lining you up. I was still lining it up. There.
Be good.
Alrighty. And that is a set of biceps. To finish them out, when you're strapping your armor, your strapping system of choice, I generally prefer Velcro and glue it later. You can use elastic straps and whatnot, but they're all going to line up inside here and run congruent through the rest of the arm. So that's it for the biceps, and we'll see you for the next video. Bye.
Congruent. There's your $2 word for the day.
Congruent. Congruent.